Okay, as she's going to go on and complete that bracelet, I'm going to show you the next bracelet that we're going to work on. And what do we call this knot on this bracelet?
The basic knot.
The basic knot. Okay, as you see, we wanted to have a rainbow bracelet. Again, I measured Krista's arm, her wrist, and I am going to double these strands, 12 inches and another 12 inches per strand. We're going to go through and measure out each of these floss to get to 24 inches for each color. Look at that. That one's already, oh, it's not long enough. So what you're going to do with this bracelet, you're going to take your basic knot, and like Krista was doing with the other knot, we're going to double it. We're going to do that same knot twice with each color. This is going to be a very pretty bracelet.